Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today I'm in Winter Garden. Brand new, the Peach Cobbler opening here. So come on in, check it out. So guys, that's right. This is, look, there's already a line. This is actually the grand opening. They don't even have a sign up yet, but this is where you can find the Peach Cobbler. First location opening here in Winter Garden. This is off Tilden Road. There's a line ready to go in. So I'm gonna jump in line. We'll go in. I'm gonna try something and let's see how it is. So they just opened Peach Cobbler. We're getting ready to go. A lot of people here. Look at a line wrapping all the way around, as you can see. I guess they were having a little bit of some technical difficulties on the opening day, which can happen, right? So they're suggesting do a mobile order, and then I guess we'll be able to do cash in a few minutes. So let's head on in and check it out. We finally made it inside. You can see the line. Pretty basic inside. There's really not much to it. We got a simple menu up there. Right now they're having a little technical issues with the register, but you can do cash or you can do mobile. And yeah, it's a few tables on the sides. So yeah, it's just pretty basic inside, guys. You come up, get what you want. I'll show you what I get in a minute, and I'll show you the menu. If you're on your phone, you can zoom that up so you can see the menu better. So they have cobblers, they have cinnamon rolls, they have different kind of cookies, banana pudding, pudding shakes, brownies, Belgian waffles, churros, and then some different drinks. And they also have a dessert flight. So pick any 4 cobblers and puddings, $17.99. That's not bad for a family deal. They do have an app too I downloaded, which kind of shows things a little bit better, more description. So it's the Peach Cobbler. It's an app. You can just go into Google for Android, or if you have iPhone, the Play Store. So yeah, you can check that out. All the different things. As I scroll down, you guys can see them all. I'm not big. I've never really, I don't eat a lot of cobbler and stuff, but I think I'm just gonna get a regular traditional peach cobbler. We'll try it out. But yeah, just kind of wanted to give you a lot of the different information. Like I said, right here in Winter Garden, brand new. Just opened today. Just wanted to point something out. I'm sure, you know, this is the grand opening, so guys, things happen. I never would hold that against anybody on the grand opening. But one thing is, it's just one register. So you can see there's lines of people. So I think you have to have a little patience here. I would imagine they would get another register at some point. And obviously, as time goes by, you know, there wouldn't be lines like this probably coming in. I'm sure they hope there would be, but let's see. After I get the food, I'll go around the corner, I'll show you. I don't think there's really, like I said, there's really not a lot to it, guys. So I just put the order in. You can see a lot of people. I don't think there's really much. Go around the corner here a little bit. As we come around the corner here, a couple restrooms in the back. A few tables. There's about 6 or 7 tables, so obviously, and when it's not, oh, a little dark, sorry guys. Yeah, there we go. On a day that's not so busy, you could come in and chill out and sit down, but a day like this, look at this, man. It is packed out. As soon as I get outside, I'll show you the line still wrapped around the building, but I can't wait to try this Peach Cobbler. Everybody in line telling me, oh, it's the best, it's great. So, looking forward to it. So I finally got it right here. The Peach Cobbler Factory. I think I was calling it the Peach Cobbler, but the right name is, it's the Peach Cobbler Factory. I just want to show you all the people in line still. I mean, it is jammed out, packed out. And of course, opening day, so there's some, you know, it took a while. It took me about, after I ordered, about 30 minutes. Just for this, but look at the line of the people. I just want to show you how popular this is. Again, Peach Cobbler Factory right here, Winter Garden. You can see the line of the people all the way around. Look at this, it's stretching all the way out here. And as you saw, inside was packed just as much. I can't wait. Let's go find a spot. The one thing is, as I showed you inside, not a lot of seating inside, and there is no outdoor seating, so I think I'm gonna head over to my car. Let's go try it. So I just opened the hatch of my vehicle here, guys. I think I'm just gonna sit here and have it. Like I said, I told you in line, I haven't eaten a lot of peach cobbler in my life. I haven't eaten a lot of it, so I'm not wicked familiar with it, but this is what it looks like. Let's see. So it looks like you get, because she asked me if I wanted the ice cream that came with it, and I was like, of course. So Here's the ice cream. We'll open that in a minute. The Peach Cobbler Factory. And oh, it's warm. It's definitely warm. I can feel it's warm in there. That's the cobbler. Let's open that up and have a look. You guys just bear with me. I'm trying to one-hand all this. Let's see if we can get that open. Ah, oh, look at that. And let me tell you what, it smells awesome. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, and then we got the ice cream. And I guess, I don't know, let's go with it. Let's try it. Can't wait. First, let's just try a little bit of the peach. Look at that. That's the cobbler, right, I guess? Kind of the crummy stuff. Let's just get a piece of that. I gotta get some peach on there, guys. It's thick. It's definitely thick, as you can see. Whoa, let's do it. Ah! Mmm. Wow, is it thick? It's kind of got some crunchy. This stuff's kind of crunchy almost. No, that's soft. That's the cobbler. Okay. The peach was a little crunchy. Let's try some of the ice cream. Some of the ice cream. Yeah, it's all right. It's good. Yeah. I'm just trying it out. I'm not real. I don't eat a lot of peach cobblers, so.
No, I just saw the line. I'm like, people are obviously waiting. So
yeah.
It's good.
Ice cream's just fine. Nothing great. You can see the ice cream. It's nice and thick and dense. It's not like a soft serve. I think the key is you gotta put some of that ice cream in the cobbler. Let's try and do that. All right, now this, I guess, is the way you're supposed to eat it. Now we got a little combination there. Let's spin around. Let me come out here a little bit in the light, guys. I'm sorry. But like I said, the one thing is not a lot of seating in there. And as busy as it was kind of like by the time you got done waiting, you just wanted to get out. So that is the whole complete. It is good. Definitely is good, no doubt about it. Trying to find better light. Yeah, this side's better. Let me try one more. Like I said, I don't eat a lot of it. I don't think it's like, it's not making me go, oh my gosh, I gotta like run back here or anything like that. I don't think it's like blowing me away. I will say this, it's good. It was $8 for that. I think it's good. It's sweet, it's nice. The Peach Cobbler Factory, if I had to give it a 1 to 10, it's hard for me to do a kind of rating like that because I don't eat a lot of cobbler. But just as a taste, I mean, I'm gonna give it a 7.8. I think it's, to me, I've had plenty of desserts that are just as good as this in lots of different places. But it is unique that it is cobbler, and there's a lot of different things on the menu, so I think I would definitely come back. What was standing out to me were the cinnamon rolls. They looked really good. Kind of making me want to try those the most. And the one thing I don't like is that there's not really, like if you came with your family and it was busy inside, you'd have to come outside and do what I'm doing. And to me, I kind of like to sit down when I get a snack or something like that. You know, I know it's tough in a strip mall like this to have some outdoor seating because of the different, you know, zonings and things, but inside there was a lot more room in there. I'm hoping they add another register to speed up, and maybe some more tables inside I think would be better. But overall, I think it's good. I don't think I would wait in a line that long. Those people, I mean, I got here, guys, it was about 10 of 12, and you saw where I was. I was about 15 people deep. Now there's like 75, 80 people over there, and it is 1:04. So an hour and 15 minutes. That's a long time. But I think, you know, as time goes by, this will die down a little bit. And I think it's okay if you're in the area. I wouldn't really probably go out of my way if I was at Disney. I wouldn't say, oh, you should leave Disney and come all the way here to eat. You're only 15 minutes away. I think the owners were awesome. They were really nice people, and I think they have a lot of support from the community here, and I hope that they do so awesome here, because they're opening a business, and that's a goal, right? Hey man, we made it, let's do it. So I wish them a lot of luck. Couple first, like I said, just opened, so it was a long wait and things like that, but they were very nice and people were very patient, so I love that. So 7.8 on the cobbler, and like I said, I can't really rank it to other cobblers, but I'm just saying as a taste and as a dessert, a little bit averagey. So guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Thank you to our Patreons, and last but not least, see ya!